Hi there, and welcome to iHealthBrokers 1 Minute Healthcare Update. As always, if you have questions about your health insurance, you can reach us in the comments or give us a call at 888-918-0518. We are licensed nationwide, and there is absolutely no charge for our services. And don't forget to find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Good news for coffee drinkers. Another study has indicated that coffee may be good for your health. A Chinese study studied 6 dietary habits and their correlation and link to HCC risk, liver cancer. Of course, it's no surprise that the study found that alcohol increased the chances of developing liver cancer, but on the flip side, it was found that coffee, tea, and milk products, specifically yogurt, lowered the chances of developing liver cancer. So should you up your coffee intake to 4 cups a day? Well, probably not. There are so many studies floating around that study the connection between dietary habits and health. Tea has long been purported to be an anti-cancer drink. It's got anti-carcinogenic properties. However, I actually just read a study that found a link between tea and esophageal cancer. So who's really to say? One thing we can say for certain, if you enjoy your cup of coffee, go ahead and continue to have that at least in the morning to keep you awake on your drive to work.